Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video about Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. I'm Rose, and today I've decided to quickly share with you the key information you need to know about this supplement. Stick with me until the end of this video. It's sure to be the most comprehensive one you'll find on the internet about this topic. Before we dive in, I have an important alert to share with you. I've included the link to the official website below in the video description in case you need it. However, I strongly recommend that you stick around to learn everything about Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic, a tonic developed to assist those who want to lose weight naturally and healthily. For those aiming to shed pounds, Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic is a 100% natural dietary supplement. Its formula doesn't contain any chemical components, only natural and organic ingredients such as plants, herbal extracts, vitamins, and nutrients. Overall, you'll experience improved well-being, increased energy, clearer thoughts, support for a healthy inflammatory response, and enhanced sleep. Your appearance will improve, your skin and face may appear brighter and healthier. Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic will help you get rid of excess body fat, consequently leading to weight loss. You'll have more energy and disposition throughout your day, enabling you to engage in exercises, go to the gym, and carry out your daily activities. To see all these results, it's crucial to take it daily, otherwise, you won't get results and will feel frustrated. The minimum treatment duration is 3 months, but the complete treatment is 6 months. Taking it is super simple, just take a spoonful, mix it in a glass of water, and ingest it. That's what you'll do for a complete daily treatment. In addition to these personal benefits, they offer a 90-day guarantee. If you don't see any results within this period, you can request a refund on the official website, and they will reimburse you 100% of your money. It's a serious commitment, and you have nothing to lose, only benefits to gain. A crucial reminder, the only place to purchase the original tonic is on its official website. It's not available in pharmacies or other platforms, only on the official site. I've included the link below in the video description to help you avoid counterfeit products. Thank you for watching this far. If you're looking to lose weight, feel beautiful again, and improve your overall well-being, this supplement can truly assist you. The link to purchase is right below in the video description. Until next time, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.